Hey everyone, Beth with Crafty Corner, and today I'm going to show you how to make confetti in any shape you want with the help of the Cricut. The first thing we need to do is select our images that we want as confetti. So we go over to images, you can browse all images, or you can actually just search exactly for what you're looking for. The best kind of images are pretty solid, less intricate work. I'm going to pick this wand here, but I don't want the inside, I want just the solid out piece for our confetti. So I'm going to hit contour and hide all contours. That's going to get rid of all those inside cuts, so it's one size. All right, then we need to size it, so we can either use the arrows next to it, or I know I want them about 1.5 inches high. So here's my wand. And then here are the rest of my confetti pieces that I am going to cut out in all sorts of different colors. Let's go ahead and hit make it. First we need to select on a mat since we are using cardstock. So we do on a mat there. And then I want to make a bunch of copies. So I'm going to come up here and hit project copies and select 18. Then when I go to the next one, I'm going to do that for all of them. And it is actually going to stay at 18 for every single one. So once I change that top part to 18, it will change the whole thing. I ended up changing it to 20 at the last minute. All right, then let's pick our materials. You can search for your material you want, or I come down here to cardstock and pick the one that fits the best. I'm going back and forth between cardstock and regular. This is the glitter cardstock. It is all sorts of different colors here. It's so pretty. And here's just the regular cardstock. So here are the colors I chose. We're gonna need a scraper and a spatula. Let's go ahead and cut our confetti. When it is all done cutting, we need to remove it from our mat. So the best way to do this is to flip the mat over and peel back the paper so that the paper stays straight. You want to bend the mat instead of the paper, otherwise it curls the paper. So let's go ahead and take our little castles here off the mat. Same thing, I'm going to bend the mat and keep that castle straight so that it stays nice and straight. Bend the mat and then just go ahead and peel off the rest of the castles. After it's all taken off and we have just the leftover pieces on our mat still, we can use our scraper and just very easily just scrape those pieces right off. Finish by cutting out all the other pieces, all the other confetti that you have, and all sorts of different glitter and regular cardstock, and use them for your party. Thank you so much for watching. If you have a question, give us a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe.